All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, 6-in-1 miners, crypto projects, coins that shoot to the moon, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to be talking about Terra Luna. Now, is this coin coming back? Is this coin not coming back? What's going on with Terra Luna and USTC? Is this coming back? Is this not coming back? We're going to go into a deep dive on both of these. They have another site now. We're going to check that out. I know a lot of people lost lots of money with Terra, so I don't know if people are back into Terra. Give me your thoughts in the bottom. And then at the end, we're going to talk about Trust Miner. I started talking about this when there was 22,000 in the project. Now there's 78,000 in the project. It's shooting to the moon. Crypto project paid out in a stable coin. We're going to talk about that. All right, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day get in a project, understand a project, know how to analyze it, the whole 9 yards. Might as well get this out of the way right off the rip. I'm not a financial planner. I do this for educational purposes only. This is a solo dolo kind of thing. If you press the little button and you make money, good for you. If you press the little button and you don't make money, that's all on you. I'm just a YouTuber doing this for educational purposes only. All right, everybody, let's head over to Terra Luna. All right, Terra Luna, trending number 1. Or I should say Terra Classic, trending number 1 right here. Trending, look at it's number 1 trending. Click it. Okay, there's 3 zeros and a 1315. But at the top here, Terra Classic, it says this: the original Terra chain was rebranded to Terra Classic. Click here for Terra V2 CMC. Okay, so now there's like 2 of them. There's this one. Now, remember, I just clearly, all I did was right here on Coinmarketcap, I went to the number 1 trending thing. It's up 4% over here, and I clicked it. And then it says, no, you need to click here. Now I click this one. Now this one, Terra, which the code is Luna, is traded for $2.16. And then it says the original Terra has been rebranded to Terra Classic, and now chain is created with the existing Terra name. Click here for the initial announcement about the migration. So you click here, and there's a whole entire announcement. So pretty confusing here. All right, but this token, it's ranked 220th. It's being traded for $2.16. It's actually up right this second. I actually brought it right over here too. Right here, Terra, look at Luna. It's up 10% for the last 7 days. It's up 3% for the last 24 hours. If you click this, it takes us right back to where we were, and it's showing you that it's up. Now, in the last 7 days, the coin was down here, and look, it's up here, so there's that 10% increase. Pretty confusing. Again, why is it so confusing? Well, I don't know. You tell me. I'm over here at Terra Classic, number 1 trending. You click Terra Classic. It tells you to click here for Terra V2. You click this, and it goes to Terra Luna. All right. So you tell me in the bottom what your thoughts are of that. All right. Over here at their Twitter account, Terra Luna, powered by Luna. So let's confuse the hell out of each other here. 90 Punks mint live. This was 23 hours ago. The mint is live. Protocol Tails. Mint is now live. It says the Wizard UL is live. React components and hooks for Terra. Okay, Nowhere Terra NFT Marketplace. Fight Club is now open. So you can mint it now. It's public. The Fight Club, which I guess that's pretty awesome. Give me your thoughts on the bottom. Do you feel comfortable investing in Terra, Luna, Terra Classic, Terra, 45 different names of Terra? If you are, which Terra are you investing in? Are you investing in the one that's trending? Oh, don't click that one. Click this one. Give us your thoughts on the bottom. What do you think of Terra? It says right here they're working really hard. If we go over to their website, Terra 2.0 is here. Fueled by passionate community and deep developer pool, the new Terra blockchain is now the most decentralized chain ever launched. In the lunatic community, vibrant smart contracts, deep development talent, built on the Cosmos SDK, and Tendermint. Join the diverse rapid. Let's go to this article that I have here. It says, Terra, are USTC and Luna C, Lunic, making a comeback? Here's a little chart here. You know, we don't know which, is it this Luna, is it this Luna, is it USDT? It says dramatically downfalls of Terra native asset Lunic, LUNC, and USTC was disruptive in every way. The crash has a major impact on the entire market after millions of dollars was washed away despite the increase, particularly from the South Korean regulators. The creator of Terra, KOW, rolled out another network. So he's rolling out another network, the Terra 2.0, with both the networks existing in the crypto market. Investors clearly have a choice. Investors clearly have to choose a side. Terra 2.0 started as a network completely different from the first one. Involvement of the algorithmic stablecoin was nullified as USTC was no longer part of Terra 2.0. So the USTC has nothing to do with the Terra 2.0. Now remember, everybody lost their ass on the USTC, so they're not going to have that part of it. And again, all my information is for educational purposes only. Why the entire community was expected to embrace the Luna 2.0, individuals were veering into the Lunic market instead. Okay, so you got Lunic, LUNC market instead. Following the crash, Luna changed to Luna Classic or Lunic. The asset witnessed a major drop and sunk below $1. Now, however, the altcoin was up 58% over the last 24 hours. Is anyone besides myself confused here? Twitter was certainly overwhelmed. The sudden increase in the price of Lunic shows that the community might still entail trust in the asset. The sudden surge could be due to the fact that several were getting back at Quan by not investing in Luna 2.0 and sticking to Lunic. Okay, so they're not going to invest in this one, but they're going to invest in that one. Luna 2.0 did not fill the hearts and bears either. The brand new crypto was up by 16% and was traded for $2.61. That's this one right here, Terra, and the code word is Luna, Luna. Furthermore, several speculated that the sudden surge in Lunic was due to the video release, the anonymous. However, it looks like the community was actually pouring into the funds into the network. The 24-hour trading value of Lunic was up by 69% and was at, there's a lot of numbers here. In addition to that, Starship, a metaverse platform, announced it would onboard Lunic, and this would have certain triggers that would ongoing the rally. All right, Lunic, we're going to put that in here. Let's go over here, up to the top. LUNC. Luna Classic. All right, so they're talking about this one that's got all the zeros, 0.0003 zeros and 1317. But then there's this one that's actually Luna. That's $2.16. All right, give me your thoughts in the bottom. Which one of these Lunas are you buying? Are you buying the one with the zeros? Or are you buying the one with the not the zeros? Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. I'll do a price prediction when I'm done. Right now, we're going to head over to a project, Trust Miner. When I started talking about this less than a month ago, I think 2 weeks ago, there was 22,000 in the project. Now there's 78,000. This coin is going up. It's also paid out in a stable coin that literally you don't have to worry about waking up tomorrow and the coin being down 20 or 30%. Well, here we are. Trust Miner pays 3.3% daily USDT. Rewards on BSC. Four things real quick. Verified and safe. The Trust Miner runs securely on Binance Smart Chain. Our smart contracts are verified and renounced. The platform, the team is available 24/7 through Telegram to help the onboarding, claiming rewards, and general support. Community driven, the success directly is sustainment of the project is achieved through strong community engagement. And the most important thing, in my opinion, stable rewards. USDT rewards are not impacted by the market volatility, consistently generating revenue in a bull or bear market. All right, take a look at this. There was 22,000 in the contract when I started talking about this. Now there's 74,000 in the contract. Pretty good. You can come down here. You can buy shares and get yourself miners. You can compound. You can withdraw. They got a compound calculator here. They have it preset at $100. If you put $100 in 3 weeks, your $100 initial. Your interest, if you compounded for the whole 3 weeks, would have 100 in interest. You'd have a total of $200. You play this out for a little bit. In week 6, let's move this over because I know my face is in there. In week 6, you'd have $100 initial in. You would compound for 6 weeks. You'd have $300 that you compounded into the program. you'd have a total of $400. Now, this little chart here shows you for 10 weeks. You do this for 10 weeks with $100, it gives you $900 in interest, a total of $1,000. What does this thing kick off? $33 a day. Now, doesn't seem like a lot, but $33 a day times 30 days could give you an income for a month for $990, and you only put $100 in. Now, I would actually do a 5 and 2, compound for 5 days and claim for 2. So if you did that, 33 times 2 times a week times 4.2 weeks in a month, you would actually claim $277. Remember, you only put 100 in. So now you got a passive income of $277. You're compounding 5 days, putting the money back into the program to keep the snowball going bigger, and then all of a sudden it keeps your rewards going. Real quick, I'm not going to go through all the numbers, but I am going to show you this real quick. What would happen if you decided to say, Frank, I think I want to invest more. I want to put 500 in. So if you put 500 in, look at that, week 3, 500 in, 500 in interest, you'd have 1,000. Key thing we want to know in 10 weeks. In 10 weeks, move this thing up. 10 weeks, you'd have $5,000 in the program, 500 in, right there, 4,400. Let me just pull down. 500 initial in, 10 weeks, 4,500 in interest. You put it back in the program. You'd have $5,000 in your snowball, kicking you out $166 a day. Now remember, all my information is for educational purposes only. They have a tutorial here how you can link your MetaMask, how you can connect it. They got frequently asked questions. At the end of the video, I actually link a video they did for about 17 minutes explaining how it works. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Let's head back over to Terra this and Terra that, one of these Terras, and figure it out. We'll do a little price prediction. All right, back over at all the Terras. Clicking the trending Terra. The trending Terra is LUNC. You click it, and there's 3 zeros and a 1315. My price prediction is I'm unclear. I don't know. I don't know which Luna to actually invest in, because the one that's trending is this one, but right at the top it says the original Terra chain was rebranded as Terra Classic. Click here for the V2. Well, clearly you can see 3 zeros. When you click here, clearly you see $2.16. I don't know. I'm kind of confused. What's my price prediction of that? I'm still confused. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. I don't know how I feel about Terra Luna. I know that a lot of people lost their money big time when the first Terra just went from $100 down to under pennies. I mean, a penny, people were hoping it would get back to a penny. So my thoughts are, be careful. I don't know how I feel about it. Give me your thoughts in the bottom. Are you invested in one of these 2 Terras? Have you turned your back completely on the Terra? Or is Terra something that is on your radar? Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Click right here, and I'm going to link Trust Miner 17-minute tutorial video. I think there was 22,000 in the video when I did this video. Now there's 78. Click right here for my favorite product, BNB Miner. This thing pays out 3% a day in BNB. It's the longest running miner. It's been paying out for 460 days. Drip Network, everybody heard of Drip? This thing's longer than Drip Network. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in to Frank's Crypto Corner. 4th of July weekend. Enjoy yourself. It's Saturday. We'll see you a little bit later on tomorrow.